Hello friends, welcome to Bola English. Today, let us learn tenses in a nutshell. We know that every verb has four forms. V1, present tense verb. V2, past tense verb. V3, perfect tense verb. And V4, continuous tense verb. These four forms are used to make different tenses in English language. In this lesson, we are going to see sentences in all the tenses these verbs form with pronouns I, you, we, they, he and she. Let us start with the pronoun I. Here we can see that V1 write is used to make simple present tense I write a poem and simple future tense I will write a poem. V2 wrote is used to make simple past tense I wrote a poem. V3 written is used to make present perfect tense I have written a poem, past perfect tense I had written a poem and future perfect tense I will have written a poem. V4 writing is used to make present continuous tense I am writing a poem, past continuous tense I was writing a poem, future continuous tense I will be writing a poem, present perfect continuous tense I have been writing a poem, past perfect continuous tense I had been writing a poem and future perfect continuous tense I will have been writing a poem. Pronoun you. V1 write is used to make simple present tense you write a poem and simple future tense you will write a poem. V2 wrote is used to make simple past tense you wrote a poem. V3 written is used to make present perfect tense you have written a poem, past perfect tense you had written a poem and future perfect tense you will have written a poem. V4 writing is used to make present continuous tense you are writing a poem, past continuous tense you were writing a poem, future continuous tense you will be writing a poem, present perfect continuous tense you have been writing a poem, past perfect continuous tense you had been writing a poem and future perfect continuous tense you will have been writing a poem. Let us now see pronouns we or they. V1 write is used to make simple present tense we or they write a poem and simple future tense we or they will write a poem. V2 wrote is used to make simple past tense we or they wrote a poem. V3 written is used to make present perfect tense we or they have written a poem, past perfect tense we or they had written a poem and future perfect tense we or they will have written a poem. V4 writing is used to make present continuous tense we or they are writing a poem, past continuous tense we or they were writing a poem, future continuous tense we or they will be writing a poem, present perfect continuous tense we or they have been writing a poem, past perfect continuous tense we or they had been writing a poem and future perfect continuous tense we or they will have been writing a poem. Pronouns he or she. We know that while talking about him or her in simple present tense, we need to add an s or es to the V1 form of verb. So V1 write is used to make simple present tense he or she writes a poem and simple future tense he or she will write a poem. V2 wrote is used to make simple past tense he or she wrote a poem. V3 written is used to make present perfect tense he or she has written a poem, past perfect tense he or she had written a poem and future perfect tense he or she will have written a poem. V4 writing is used to make present continuous tense he or she is writing a poem, past continuous tense he or she was writing a poem, future continuous tense he or she will be writing a poem, Present perfect continuous tense, he or she has been writing a poem. Past perfect continuous tense, he or she had been writing a poem. And future perfect continuous tense, he or she will have been writing a poem. Thus we can see how these 4 forms of verbs make 12 different tenses. Remember these tenses and you will never go wrong while writing or speaking English. Stay tuned. Goodbye.